Hello everyone, welcome to I'll Sleep. In this video lesson, I'm gonna focus on process diagram in academic writing task 1. Here is the diagram which shows the manufacturing of bricks for the building industry. To write it down, we have to follow this structure. First, its introduction, then its overview, then body paragraph 1 and finally its body paragraph 2. So let's write down its introduction first. See, this is a diagram which shows the process. That's why I would write here the given process diagram instead of writing the diagram only. And then I would place shows here as a synonym of illustrates. Now next we have to paraphrase manufacturing of bricks. Here I would recommend one trick. It is manufacturing of bricks, right? I would assume manufacturing as X and bricks as Y. So it is like X of Y, correct? Now if I want to paraphrase it, I'll convert it into YX, like brick manufacturing. Got it? And if you want to make it more effective, so we would write synonym of manufacturing here. That is production. Next, I would write for the construction purposes. Here, construction purposes has taken place of building industry. You can also write the introduction using how. The given process diagram shows how bricks are made for construction purposes. Now let's move to its overview. You can start it by writing an overview or you could write overall. While writing this, you have to count how many steps are involved. And then you should mention its starting point and ending point where it ends. See, this overview method is very effective and tells the examiner that you know what exactly is required for task achievement. So, here is the overview. Here I have mentioned the number of stages. You can also write here steps or phases. And then the point from where this process gets started. See, don't be confused here with digging. It is the ing form of dig, the action which is done by a digger. See, we can't say here starting with a digger because we need to talk about actions, not about equipments or devices here. Okay? And finally, I have written ending to the delivery of the final products to the construction sites. Here I have used final products for bricks that are produced and construction sites for building industry. To make this concept more clear, let's take a look at another diagram. Here it shows how geothermal energy is used to produce electricity. See, here in the given question, they have used how. And the same we have done here, right? So sometimes learning the paraphrasing skills from different question structures can help you. Alright, now I'll write here the introduction first. See here, I have used X of Y means production of electricity, correct? I can also write electricity production, but as we have replaced in previous diagram manufacturing by production, we can't use here manufacturing with energy or electricity. Okay, but yeah, you have one option, that is generation. So you could say electricity generation or generation of electricity. Now come to its overview. This diagram is already showing its stages numbering at 5 and its first action is cold water pumped down, right? And its last action is produces electricity which is sent to a power grid. So here is the overview. In an overview, there are 5 stages involved in this process, starting with pumping down cold water and ending to generating electricity from the generator which is then sent to a power grid. Alright, today we have covered the introduction and overview part. I hope you found this video helpful. In my next video, I'll try to cover the concept how to write body paragraphs for a process diagram. Till then, keep watching this space.